Fáilte Ash go How to Gael. We have teamed up with Fáilte Ireland to help you keep discovering everything our gorgeous island has to offer.
And Ish go Will on Saura Builtiling, there's no better time to get planning your short break. Teichig, discoverireland.ie for ideas that'll get you and your friends planning your next big adventure. Tamarala Tashachan to Spragala Dulatastal.
Oh, as Darren would say herself. Now, Mazrade go on Schlian Atlantic Eon Odogleoch. How about a visit to the Ackle Experience in Chuntevio? Part aquarium, gals, part history hub if you don't mind. Or you can head to Carnog Veva Ishligok for myths and watching the world go by.
Or if it's a trip east that is on your list, then Yartla Feckal in Ireland's ancient east. Wander through the Marina Market in Cork City, grab a bite, support local makers. Newmas Tiberdoran on Cairns Creepathagut. Why not walk the ancient path of St. Declan's Way?
Sinead trust Boher Ella Tammy Dullah Shul Shlee Nave Declan Akali Nadarudagi Gwil Kushlan Valihline Aguntandami and Chomakiana, where history meets pop culture. It is also the location for the Traitors Ireland.
Whoa.
Fun little fact. New you can make your way up the Sea Loud Trail for scenic food stops all along the coast.
Yum, yum, yum. Decalicious. Now, Colleen, not grave our dross, good gree all to Kilton hair and Gaheave and gals, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it really was.
Bob.
On Quid this Farlum was, just on quality time on Turgun Kayla and Moher Kayla.
Oh my god.
Like butter wouldn't melt.
I know. Speaking of butter, on Rud this Farlum say Yennemer not on wrong bokala. I haven't stopped making soda bread since. It's a real problem.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
I sampled it. It's good. You're getting good now, girl.
Yeah, the cocktail.
Well, Joanne and Rud Abansa Lumsa, I have to say, was discovering a new skill that I am actually a very proficient zipliner.
Well, you are, because the froze new come to come
Go
on.
on.
1, 2 zip of you.
Love
Oh.
it. Absolutely. So what are you waiting for? Plan your short break at discoverireland.ie and keep discovering the stories, surprises and soul of Ireland.
Sinead go dtíreach Shiva agus they're in Quinniger of Vegach Triocht in Erin.
Whoa.
Oh!
There is nothing like an Irish summer, Colleen, the fail to kill and the barbecues.
My favourite, na piant spontaneach le corda and ig na hibre.
Credit to us, we are good for that and for making the most on the longer days, because we all know this weather is prone to change.
But sure, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness.
I know, law bra or fag Guinness, Saula Guinness Shea Colini, a lovely smooth creamy pint, taking it all in at a festival.
Oh, Colony, I feel like we're going to make such unreal memories this summer, and sure, with a Guinness in your hand, nothing can go wrong. Sitting around chatting with friends, I cannot wait.
Rain or shine this summer, ag fail to kill, Savalet Nusafop, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness. Now, let the card.
But be sure to get the facts and drink aware. You can visit drinkaware.ie.
Hello, Colleen agus fáilte giga episode seachtaine tá tú géisteach le How to Gael, Lumsa Louise.
Lumsa Shiva.
Oh, good lumsa they're in. Damn, we'll get there eventually, Shiva.
Colleen cé go bhfuil muid remote a ríiste nómh támuid go léir ras in Éireann ar a laid agus sa cahar céine.
Tá, buíoch mór le dí, agus is féile mé bhrap san air go bhfuil an seoir goin sa chundé chéine. Sa cahar chéine, yes, though.
Yeah.
Exciting.
You're literally hot off the plane though, Darren. I'd say yourself and myself nearly came in tandem in Ao Vercha.
I know, it's more than true. Chailimar Kayla let work. Like, I'll tell you one thing, fair play to Dublin Airport. I landed in, my flight got in at 4 a.m. If you make sure to my honey here, had 2 hours sleep and got on the plane, slept the whole way, landed in Monaclia, ag a carro chlog, jumped into a taxi, you met sticks a labig, ag a carro kundakuig.
Oh,
Isn't that great? Oh, I'm telling you. I know, it's great.
Nach glasa though atá an tá, bhí orm dul an slíor fad go on blue long-term car park, and I'm sorry, you may as well be parking in Nace, like on bus shin. Tis co-fada on airport, like, but anyway.
Nightmare.
Nightmare,
Yeah. So, kunna samartá the jet lag, Lou.
Do you know Neil Shea Roghana? Because rid me an law in a fad VRM dollar gubber, so sometimes you need to just get straight stuck in and keep yourself awake, because my hints to the colour you're kind of goose then, but vi calling the here and come rare, and I have to say your own bed lads Hveg Tashtal.
Yeah,
we can't beat her.
No, Neil Tadden inspired.
Yeah.
Tadden is far. So no, delighted le rash reached agus straight back to it, but vi tam going freshen ag tachtwala in air netlon. Who should I scroll upon on the Aer Lingus in-flight entertainment? Ach, How to Gael, Sinn Féin, Sanair. Girls, we've never looked or sounded as good. The Mile High Club suits us.
Neil Ailey went, yeah, well, have you been going to catch on Gurn show the Mile High Club with?
Yes.
No comment.
I know. I thought they were kind of
Remember Mile High Club.
No. Bhí sé actually deadly sinna eiscint ar an scáil an beag, because do you know what? I was like, went on being like, where are we? Are we there in audio podcast? But you know what? Tá muid actually Orion Irish Television, and it's calling tá sé epsound agus féidir le brand new Erin agus éisteacht Lynn, and it's really, really cool. I don't know what it is about seeing yourself on the back of a little airplane chair. That's so exciting, but it is.
Well, look, má ceapan Aer Lingus go with Maclord and Telefish. I mean, hello, RTE, TG4, Virgin Media, show the Aer Lingus, you know?
Oh my God. I'm telling you, 99999, big na multi dul seach comisiún na man, or not na multi, but na cáine dul seach ní comisiún na man. I know. After watershed.
But you know what? The aine tag etalt go bhfearchóir, if you're on any long haul transatlantic flight Aer Lingus agus ag úsáid on in-flight entertainment and you see us, will you tag us please? Because nothing would do us make us more delighted than seeing your tags. Because bhualas le cúpla Colleen in Chicago a bhí ar J1s agus bhí siad in a fans a How to Gael. So for those of you, if you're géisteach Colleen ar an gaidal sias bhí si go hall in Bula live, but ar an daradal sias, when you're on the plane home now, give us an tag.
Yes, put them to work, Louise, not bad.
Put them to work is right. But yeah, ein crack Ella.
Tommy de ag gíráiltas na Tommy de Laura Taurig. It's all kicking off. Tá annachad cainte inis meall tá Kneecap announced bar headliners gore EP. All together now, tachuin gotov inis she's of over. Tá Bailaclia agus Kirkig igimmert clihe mór amána. Deisarang sa fin am garage seamach, we will know kunnas mar a hit for the amach. I'm living for it, absolutely living for it. Gadaras tá mór siúl mór Jay Saharan chama, so the Sullivan grab a story How to Gael a má stuckrucht ar son carta tíhiochta agus fiaus an policy tíhiochta chama. But all in all, what a great time to be harassinating.
Yes, I know. Running through what let's talk to Rash. About the brown up with the Rash there.
Yeah, tá mé really brownach. But like a bit mé dul rash san or and tá mé really súla sin, but no, really, really brownach. And I feel like because go raibh stretch maithe go maun, you know, I really put my feet under the table, you know, tá card maithe go maun. Colleen allinge a bhí tacadí mo meet up gach downach in Bartley Jones chama. Katrina, Tara, I'm shouting you out here. Bhí sé just really, really, yeah, classics tanavach.
Do you know rud amháin though there in bheochtú níos bhrónaí a bheith in nua arach on Saharan Shaw if the job's won. So I have to bring you back to reality and say, like, it's Queen on chat via good on tacht and Shakata, nor via Misher and Eslon go Toronto it was, and Kyle Limnach and Clehe going in a jobs. Via Misher, because I paid €30 for this in-flight fucking streaming Wi-Fi. By the way, shout out Aer Lingus, so she even go and sure vision or fall, but another thing is the result at that altitude. But anyway, vi me sé glad le dirin agus vi me raw, you know, Jesus Christ, there's nowhere you'd rather be ar lá cosúla seo a chaháin I Bork and Grokic agus in Éireann. So dirin, you'll be all the better for it.
Oh, honey, absolutely. No, I would be in the absolute
horrors.
The horrors. So no, tá mé sauce the bear rash. But are making Shintív Miala grab make show Bridget Everett?
No,
Vi to raw, yeah.
Oh, Dort my shin. I've because Aniha Rimission Collision if you make show Bridget. You should check her out her HBO. Shiva, actually, you would fucking love her. She's like cabaret, and she like does comedy through cabaret. And she was a wild woman. She was her tits and everything out on stage. She Anna, yeah, and she if you made more lay on Iha Rimish. On Clehe Bailaclia, and I was like the most hungover women. I thought, listen, Billy Big Balls over here in Manhattan drinking martinis. I was trying to get into martinis since I saw Stanley Tucci at it our Instagram. They fucking fuck you up. I had 3 martinis. I have never been as drunk in my life. I was like swaying around the streets. Sure, like I really should have gone home, but there's just, you know, there was no talking to me. So it was in the horrors. But anyway, look, I was living my best New York girl life, drinking my martinis with a couple of olives inside, thinking I was fucking shit hot. Girl, I want to stick to the pints of Guinness and leave it at that. But anyway.
Do you know what? I think in America it's Marielle in a free pours. You're goosed. Like, you can't be drinking spirits if Erica want to will to an end in a free pours.
You got to stick to the high noons, I think.
Yeah, bather
Martini's just straight vodka, Reno. So like, I don't think it's Sulesh there, and there's to be 3 glid of vodka a gut, and you're like,
I know.
Ulta, like.
I know. It was like being fucking, you know, a Cuig Shady Agarish, and you have your first bit of a nagging, and you're like, fucking, you having a breeze what you're having, like. But anyway, look, down in that cap.
ceacht fálam hadirin.
There you go. A meis le fála maríis? Probably.
Le cúnmh brad é. Right, Chalíní, cúpla tachtarchtaí feite going on our niche story. Shiva, you got a nice big long one there, Insta.
Yeah, so agran a shock na shkata how to fake tan. Drager than Egan Mayer Instagram mar Garina Maria Lelowert Fui. Shiva, you have a stunning, gorgeous, beautiful natural body with underarm hair. Why use fake tan and spoil it all using chemicals? My ex uses fake tan and her skin looks unnatural and blotchy with the tan. For me, bring back the 1980s when girls were natural. Loved it. And then a current chocolate show shop, especially raw to go or wine, dairy may reach day. It's the duality of women. You can have hairy armpits and you can wear fake tan. Okay? Show fair kuig, not the 1980s. All right?
Yeah, I was going to ask you how you felt about that, but that says it all.
Oh no, absolutely. Like, cop pay Rutger Wallat so cop. Obviously, I think that we should wean yourself off fake tan a little bit, on a snack with dependent air, but like, ma thatuig mohin to these fire cough fake tan, fucking cough fake tan.
Okay,
it's not a real thing, murder me.
Yeah.
You know,
Jayshma Shashir leis an episode shin actually Danny, and I was saying to myself, I don't know what shite I was talking. I was obviously just like, no. We should auto lua our mod and nervy mer taffed an episode shin. And I was like, it doesn't equate confidence. And then I was like, but you're, you know, you feel so much better in yourself. So I need to go back and reread the definition.
I'm glad you did, because when you said that, me and Shiva were like, no, girl.
I know. I was just like, if you say on a Lua Armadan, girls, you know me, Lua Armadan, I'm not, you've give me 45 minutes to wake up now properly before the brain's functioning. I was just
shit. It's like Carthu Cod. It's how Jane's go to Nish.
There you go.
I was like, Neil Gary Tridlot, but like, keen to put in Shayla Kersey Munina.
I listen, I don't know what shite I was spouting, but anyway, look, I'm backtracking on it all on Tachtan Show.
Come here. We didn't egg tell they're in a dangval latsa there, Marielle, how to stage an ambush.
Oh, there you go, how to stage an ambush. Actually, we made a cobblestone array, start a couple of dinner lumps of cobblestone choma. But anyway, Margaret says to us, love the ambush story, brilliantly delivered choma. There you go now, Margaret. Chuig Rantina a dagval lame choma Marielle on made Gerlua Memialer Mana Oga a Trish Dull Trasnagadi America or Imerca. Bad Bridget, sin actually Laura really ma agus a shrap pud cruelty anava. Bad Bridget, Crime, Mayhem and the Lives of Immigrant Women by Elaine Farrell and Leanne McCormack. Agus Kamala Shin, Wrong Women, Selling Sex in Dublin's Forgotten Red Light District by Caroline West. Ta Laura really ma Margaret Skrieg Ban, Ida O'Carroll, Models for Movers, Mialler, Mana, Ernach, Chuiger, Imerca. And just because we got the recommendation there, Marielle, are Selling Sex in Dublin's Forgotten Red Light District. Here's a fun tidbit for you. If you may, you know Paula Meehan, Bon Ille Untach, she's fucking deadly. Vi me stig a kindly law vi me stig sa take a Kehainux Theodorgan, obsessed with the both of them. A vi she ancient them tashi Trish Anach Debra Ianov, because her grandmother or her great grandmother was the last madam in the Monto district in Malaclia, right? It was the last red light district, and she like law enough so kind of negotiation shin via Tarlu. I'm sure Bunu and Sarah thought Marielle, you know, prostitution and sure her father, and my great grandfather was the community guard Trish Bunu and Sarah thought Mick Healy. So we were like, that's so funny, like Tamoy de Bula Lichela Inish, couple of glue in a rag, and like the Ahna Vahaka son or Chela, which is wild, isn't it?
Yeah, that is wild.
But Nilaine Ina Gurwil to selection Dini Shomer Shina Horleans at the Hale Gafla.
I listen, girl, I know. Well, what I lack for in you know, popular culture, I make up for in this all weird shit, you know.
You don't lack for anything. Stop. None of that negative self-talk now. Very quickly as well, read the mosquitoes. As Shannon said, a pro tip during falling with the mosquitoes. Mint lip balm, apparently. It works wonders to stop the itching.
Amazing.
Ní raibh an óla sinna gom agus Tiger Balm comad an the bites má sibh chalíní agran úntach spéisiúil. Gur míle mágóibh agus Mars gná chalíní is féidir live agus buclaí agus aine den our in a story is féidir live dola dangvalin. And please do drop us a comment wherever you're listening. If you're on Spotify, if you are on Apple, pay out. Leave us now a comment. Say anything. Tell us how you're feeling. Tell us what's up. And we'd love to hear from you. Agus Fresh and Shiva Camry Patreon. Tá muid Rash reached and Tachtan Show.
Tá Mars Ganach, Tom our Patreon, like a broken record, August being Agron, Fresh Agwin, attain smock air Patreon gok Derdeen. So in Chapin Chakasha, Riddimer, multi Namisa, so Nalauris, Moa Hat, Linami and Vahav, August Kupla, multi random Ella, Gerfade live lista, to lista Agamsa, own made a flamer on Chapin Chakasha, Gomisha, Kun H Glash, Kun Ihe, August Kun Ol. more than Kernel. So it's Fade Lad, Shtíntas o'clock on Patreon, or if you don't want to subscribe, you can buy individual episodes for €3 an episode. But whatever you do, make sure you do it directly through the Patreon website and not through Apple, as it will cost you more. And Neil would agree to Argan Hort Apple.
Fuck Apple.
Right, come on, Fresh and Thomas are falling full video, so if you want to join us in a visual manner, do that. Pay out to find through the podcast. Right, Callini, Táim na Seachtaine. Táim na Seachtaine on Tachtain Seo ná how to road trip. So as you know, we're working with Fall to Ireland as part of their Keep Discovering campaign, and we're letting you know that this is the perfect time for you to plan a break. So Callini, I'm going to go Dírach straight into this one now. Le Cheist Das, right? So cast your minds back. Queen le Vaber, vor géad tros bóthir riamh, I vor sail.
Ooh. Neither faoin géad ceann, ach mar go raibh like clown a goin fud na tíre. Bheoh sé anna vinnic gombeoch muid dul síos go limnach, nu go Kirkig, nu go Muinachán. So I say like Orsa V, like Erlide Orsa V, the kind of Thuris Bohroi and Avagoin Ovimer, like Oga Rogok Shin is Stoka, you know. But Nakinis Mo Yas Namakdom Nidal, she is Kirkig, go Makul Karaka, Dear Class with the Kahar Kirky, and like the Kahar Colony, the Clown Shin, Touchshore Colony in Arglown, and Vyok Muidagoni just co Erbish. And it just is Queen on Skeshmi, you'd be like, oh my god, touched it talk our jock, oh my god, come on, dog at talk, and just in Skeshmi, look shit. That's probably I count in a Quivnius Mo, a Thogam Stone, a Thursbow, Rogues Madog. And fresh and just a little apology that my neighbours are getting work done. How dare they? Don't take. So if you hear some drilling or some what's that, jackhammering, you know, of course the most gentle of tools.
Yeah.
that's me. So Moleshka.
Tá sé sin annach loite Shiva agus aber Queen lad, like what did it look like O'Rourke road trip? Was it like the three gals in the back of the car, mom and dad? Do you have the dogs with you on them chuma?
Oh god, yeah, go ni vir Madrilyn. Now I'm going to expose myself. I just never make sure Reeve in Foston East we had a Fiat Multipla.
Oh. It's a big family wagon.
Yeah, with the big bump on the front that had 3 seats in the back and 3 seats in the front.
Oh my god, the ugliest car ever.
Decimated my fucking street cred agus mates of unschool. Jesus Christ, as if I had any to begin with. And so Orange of Yuck like 4 going to see Contussi, like the next see Ider Mam agus Dad, then Bert Ellis a cool, like Braher like on Ravana Quid Mall, you knew stuff I going, yeah, it was.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Like really, like I've a lot to blame my parents for there. That's the start of
Well, you know what? In solidarity, ní raibh went through the Cantaloon too far behind you, because we had this big kind of a fucking van of a things. It was obviously 6 of us. It was like sliding doors and fold out backs. Like Scocra, the Queen Lamanam on car reached. We had a really slick one for a while, and then Dahra would on go Rodeg and it was kind of this silver van, come on, but like the middle 2 seats, it was like an aeroplane. So there'd be the 2 at the front, then there was the 2 seats in the middle. It was like an aisle. August throw it in.
I got bougie.
Yeah.
I think we had 3 Fiat Multiplas. So just I don't know why my parents hated us so much, but you're kind of good clicky on him to go in, you know, like you're lower, they're cool, and you're like, I don't know, it was like lower the horse boher the foshty. So we'd like go through the book and play that like I Spy, August never the cool and core. Yeah.
Well, if you Myrna dear Marcella, this was Trust Boherger Homer na Earls, we were absolutely killed because it was either down to the back hours of County Cork or up to the very top of Donegal. So we trust na Anna, sickening. So and rugging in the Dishna Ganusha Dishing like a Sheikhlugger Madden. Let me focus in our chola because it was before the Limerick Road, before any of this like Hugasha Ocht Urich Leg Dulcha Fadela Kool-Aid, which was the usual jaunt.
Ocht Nora Clig.
Yeah. No, it was horrific. So the Rushdi Shing like a Sheikhlugger Madden, and like literally like you'd go straight from the bed in the pajamas, shackling Lushdan, and you'd have Fenan Ganu Shofa Eganay no de, you know, Vefa Lashley Ann. But it was horrendous. Rimishgrev in the Boher Shinan. But what I do remember, what revolutionised on Trust Boher doing was Almagant in the mid kind of noughties. The middle aisle in Lidl got the portable DVD players.
Oh, it's Queen.
Yeah, and it's Queenland because we'd be fucking nightmares to cool Dunglúisteán, like massive rows and everything. So anyway, former portable DVD player, and I remember that revolutionised things because then the Shofa, and then there'd be a row between what movie we'd watch, but then the Siach and Trúr she's the Chélegs fech me the fech and just gone on. But anyway, yeah, like not the Trust and the Boher. Oh my god, they were horrendous.
Yeah. Is Queen Lum like the mama agus dad a goni up and down go Ballyhaig, I suppose gach illa dera shachtana because they were on a oak agus like Ilimnock agus both the families are, you know, in Ballyhaig. So I thought that was just part of our normal life gach illa dera shachtana we'd be yes Giri. But is Queen Lum a really lovely memory that I have would be a Friday that Dad would clock off work, Lua, right? And he'd come and collect me and Niamh, I'd say, were Savunska, like, ni doilam grev Marion Exorna in school Gafol. And Dad would come to collect us, right? And he'd have the little, do you know the buggy boards for the beach, like that you'd go surfing on? He'd have them in the boot of the car, right? He'd collect me and Niamh at the school gate, give us both an ice cream. He'd hand us our, like, a little mala with our swimming togs on it. And we'd be putting our swimsuits on under the uniform in the back of the car. We'd be down in Ballyhaig in less than an hour and into the water, the tide. So we'd time it by the time the tide would be in. We'd need to get down like a Cara Clug. So when the tide was all the way in onto the rocks, you got the best waves. And Dad would just bring me and Niamh buggy boarding for hours, which felt like hours. But it's going just to be shin like on Rod is far. You'd see him at the school gate because it was always mom, no babysitter, of like Ballyulina on Skull. So when you'd see Dad coming in the little, what was it, a little lamb? Oh my God, it was like this little red Peugeot car anyway. We would be like, yes, we're getting ice cream, we're going swimming with Dad because we should just go see him play August Das. And it was such a stunning memory. Yeah.
But like Tall in Garev, Tyluk, Agan last with in a Cahracha and a Vimar like Nabalton and Vimar Nagoni like the Cara Agam Sablin though hin and it's kind of like Baas Vlaclia da Hishmahori August near vein Shanna Hishtiega last with the Vlaclia so like counting a Cade ornta though and Vishay kind of suspawn people about the but near she reeve last with the Vlaclia we're just near vein Tahi again glow Vlaclia you know and like Kuisha she is Gamuyola gang and he was like it's Thanamak na Funyoga air like Porkana agus na behigs na porkana mar ní raibh sin fecha go riamh.
Oh my God.
And Kirsten Freud airline like the Michicove week grev on Esperis sin agam say fosnies. Now fair enough the Mwamo dear class with the Cahar limni, but the Ma'ahar o Ottawadney's ear gulta in Weenacon so airline V and Tahi sin agam, you know?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my God, on Tallinn, yeah. You like you probably take it for granted. I know we definitely do. But memory all in Ella Thug and Dad. God, Mom doesn't get a look in at all in my road trip memories. But Dad Gaffa Le Corina, right? He's a big car man, big into vintage cars. I suppose it's kind of, you might have seen at the wedding, he's these little vintage Porsches that he's done up for years and years. But Nuravi Misha agus Nia Vogue, Choma reached, we used to go back to our Nana's house who lives like on Kerry Head Mountain, right? And Dad would, with his brothers, be doing up all these old vintage cars. And he had this silver Porsche, right? It's Queen Lamega now. It's just not as glamorous as it sounds, but the roof would come off it. So I remember me and Niamh would beg him or our uncle to drive us around Kerryhead, the back arse now of like the Mall and Mountain, right? And just to stick our heads out the top and dance to be like tape a one again, this tape of like 80s hits. And it was like, there was two songs as Queen Lum, Ghostbusters and Kids in America. And we'd have our heads up the roof, like just saying Ghostbusters, driving, like August, it's Queen Lum. Nothing could surpass that. Vijay Shin and Rod is, I don't know.
Sorry, Kane Terror and a condiment because that was not Ghostbusters a condiment.
Ghostbusters.
Okay, you should know what these are. Okay.
Ghostbusters. That was in catching. I don't know why Ghostbusters. Agus and Shin. What was the Kids in America song?
We're the kids in America. Whoa.
Yeah. You know yourself.
Yeah.
Ballyhaig didn't know what hit it.
But you know, I find that gefol even now because it's Queen of then he annig about Jennifer on Trusavale Gar her ring Hirig Joan Versha Durcha and like you know you just all be bundled into the Glushan and like the takes of Echa Heintig Mahishmahori like Paul Brady or Kiltron Shunter or Darcha Gahan or whatever and like that feeling of like being very safe because Gachtan is Stigla Chela expectation Histigla the Jahar Sicher for like I still now nervian me and it's more Dianachastih Gaharhe like Treed na Bohre Uignacha he's Fendua. I find that really like cozy agus like calming and like nostalgic, you know?
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah, Chingahalling.
And Rud Das fui Maradorma like weeks a day and Tahi Agwin to kind of dull go contaithe ní bailte eile agus Whitney Soige. But the good news is you can do it now as well. And like anyone can start creating their memories from this point onwards if they didn't have an tahi sin agus sríide fástaí because we can always go and explore our beautiful country, pay work or wallin. And the best time to do it is an ish.
Yes, a rihan
Do any of you remember being in that little car Tachthualig Dainach Sneha and you'd pretend to be asleep so you get carried into your lava?
Absolutely.
I think we all been that soldier.
But I think denim shin kind of gafol is shli ella. So like ma tha Michigas call it brand where they can like I always fall asleep. It's just I just can't stay awake. Is the him I thought about brand where they can and he'll be like, "Are you awake?" I'll be like, yeah. But I just love the comforting feeling knowing your fate. I'm just tishing them chola. I'm gonna lie about it, but like just lick them tishing them chola.
Yeah.
No, I love that chama and fuhram adults sa chulra and people a bug a team. Yeah, I love that chama.
Oh, go hauling. Shinani yes. Now, so Colleeny, adas Toshi Roy to come got to Shiva is Fader let dollar trust for her. Ain't get in your car, or maybe not your car, get on a bike, get on a train. Ireland is so well connected and there's so many gorgeous places le dul. So Colleeny, the ruddy go rev shivsha now le dul, le cora lo dul suas agus dollar trust boher. Ain't being therein. Agus le aina, dead or alive. Who would you be bringing with you? I want to know. Can scribe. Who your Iana are, who your guests in the car are, what you're eating, what you're listening to, and what you're doing when you get to where you're going.
It's Brala and Kesha. There in a while, let's do our deuce. I will the list that I got.
Yeah, okay, so I'm a list of them. So my really guri Smyrna Versha, so I said I would take the Ireland's Hidden Heartlands, right? I don't know which I showed into give hand in there. If you mission so again, you know where I show a couple about it. I would take it off the road and onto the canals or onto the water. Nervy Murni so we get the Hyochmeet barge or keys and fed me should have treat, and the yeah, no, it was amazing. But like Tatudul really, really mild, and we would just stop off. Like you could start off and wherever County Cavan and make your way up. I would love to make my way up to Enniskillen for Monaghan Day. Lawmore, it's been on my list le fada le dulcha fada le Monaghan Day, and just like Shachtan nu Dela Hogand and it's very stoppa in le bala biog. You jump off for swims or whatever. You can make your dinners on board or sandwiches, whatever written lay, stopping into all the little old man pubs in the small villages, Matadol treat Agarve nu, Suaskadi, treat Leitrim, Drumshambo, Vimaran, Hanahain, Muhal, Nahat Nasharva, and like to watch, you meet all the old lock keepers and I don't know Matash of Tracy treat na locks Hana, but what they do is Africatu na locks of Uskal and son Tagnan and Tishka treat, and you have to let the water level out so the boat rises. It's very cool, very, very fun. And you're just like travelling at a glacial pace. It's real Irish summer vibes, and you meet people on the lake and then dock off another place every night and stop off into the local pub, bring the fiddle with me, play a few tunes. And I was like, who would I bring as my guest? Well, I'd have to bring my all-time favourite John McGahern, because he would know all the local lore, know all the lads, and that's why I really want to go to Monaghan Day, because he wrote about it in his books. And like that side of the country now, he's the real expert. And somebody else I'd bring would be the late great Tony McMahon, who was like an unbelievable traditional musician. He was the GOAT. And he used to have a series on RTE in the 70s called The Green Linnet, where himself and a man called Barney McKenna were like travelling all around Europe and the continent. And they just got to know people, and he'd be like out in the middle of crowds. Like he was a real showman, and he was just an amazing traditional musician. So I feel like he would be the ideal road trip partner. So that would be my ideal road trip. Myself and two elderly men in a barge, making our way up the Shannon, and to eventually get as far as Monaghan Day in Enniskillen.
Okay, Bulamidlat in Enniskillen, the Monaghan Day. How's that?
There you go, girls. I'll have a pint of Guinness waiting with you with a few jalapenos put up.
Oh my God. And the soundtrack will be sublime, because it's their birth kill Tory, so we're in Barchin.
Birth kill Tory, Mahane, Tony McMahon, plenty of songs, plenty of, I feel like it would be pints of Guinness and small ones, you know what I mean? It'd be that kind of a road trip.
Gotcha.
Oh my God.
Bralamshin. Gaholic, right, Jiva. Kafutsa.
So Tamisha Rename Shlee on Atlantic Eon. Tmi Dúr Garash ó her scud Nunang El, so Tamigiri Filla here Cuddle Maris, probably an artist dash lums tier. So if makes win of Aaron root Gerwala Mahogal and to make kind of an root Kana as the Yenme Ladani, sorry, I'm copying myself. So to make your stupid deuce, to make your stupid agus snavi out of fra Ross Naula, right? Okay. And this is an Oscar who's makes win of K a Hokin Lum, okay? So on scale is Moata Agamsa o fra Ross Naula na Olana go my uncle Dodal, if we'll flash So on or Yernach a Kuig Dola Snobs and Arga was Ross Naula Beach, Bader Dahid Bliano hin, and it was so cold he hasn't gotten in the sea since, okay?
Dramatic, no?
I'm very, very. So to make towards my uncle Donald Lum on his a hummus and arrogant a reach thought bleed. Now he's an incredible fiddler, he's an incredible man for the pints, and he's an incredible man for the stories. August a not a hogans to a Toggins Steeny Quigga, August just being on crack down. So to make my uncle Donald Hort Lum on his afraid to make hers and arrogant, August and crack of it own, August and Kyola of it own come up. So to my condole white shin, then to my condole go Kitty Beggs, August Thomas Con, Bound Do Kini, if August and Kitty Beggs. I know, on a yes, I know Danish on East Grukta and Shin. And then Tommy Condolamak go Ilan Oren War reached. We love it. I know. It's so dreadful.
It's the best.
Yeah. But Tommy Constuppa is a super value in Kitty Beggs or do session Shupador to Yenev because you need a full car, they'll trust go Ilan, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. New like ni god this and gluten or trust and get Ilan Akirid like you can do it on foot coma Aaron Mod Faran Torque and Shin. Okay, Tommy Con Iha Woin of Hov Trasna Ilan Oren War because we're going to Rohio Tart. Tom which con August O's the Glen Hotel August Fonnock down coma. By an I'm sugar das, okay? I'm saying it now, I'm manifesting it. By an I'm sugar das. And then a law Dargun, Tom which con Erigol a grappa in Unangal. Neil Shay Dainth come gefo. Fos Neil Shay Dainth come, credit not credit.
Wow. Okay.
Anna Achli now, more Ross Bower. I love it.
I just sorry, where did I on Dara E a toss of court, Lynn?
Go on.
Peg Sayers. Right? I don't know what we'll do in all refecke Peg Sayers. You know, Boston Queensy. I don't think we'll take you to your fecke Kiriv.
Hey, girl, you're dead right. You're going to need an interpreter now. You hear Huddle a her, you know, so he could.
Okay, yeah, well, I think you miss it. Yeah, it's very
yeah.
You're kind of going to move like don't come off. So like, I think it's around Shorgan. I take him up scale to then Scott. And yeah, I mean, I just don't think we'll on Tave Shin. Then Schlee Atlantic on Feck Peg Sayers. So that's why she's my dream guest there in Thursday Boher Show.
August Peg, I'd say on Crackavi until like she was some woman for the crack in the Shielta.
She was a divil.
Yeah,
so
a divil.
I took Heish Erigel. I don't know I'm Yuck Peg up for Erigel now. Foggy may foo he right? But Donald be up for it. She's a big walker, come on. Probably less than fiddle. And then in Eeg Erigel a crappa, Tom Widge Kun, or Malaki Yenev Arash. Rockwood Capon Doran, so Feckwood Ben Bulb and a Scocker Darren Malloch, and then by Seafood Ella again, I don't know, Baila Seafood Ella again in Bundoran, and then Shin Creek Lesh.
Gorge. It's the seafood for me. The seafood is just.
I know. Well, see, in Bundoran Ladani now, and like I just had mussels on the brain. Now it's Fiol Hain Tormain, Nia him Fiol, okay him prawns, August mussels, and they're my two what you call them, hall pass. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And Coomer got autumn on Doran, and the only mussels they had bacon in the sauce, so neither me now na dulakinia alt. So that's kind of the tain kushna go with the rash is so I can have as much dulakini as I want.
But also, this is your dream road trip. So, like, if you wanted, you could have, like, a fisherman bring you fresh ones from the water and cook them up for you in Spotta, you know?
Oh, agus Kirtal Cov again Iaskurashaw. Sounds
black. A little shell.
Yeah.
Anava, oh, Khalidi, I have to say that you're getting me really itching and ready to go. I like the way that you're both landed in the same direction though, so you could have one big kosher more Kayla.
John, I would love to finish that with Shiva now. If we were up that direction, we go to Blackline, it's just outside Enniskillen on the Cavan, border there into Nevin Maguire. Have you for a little? He's I've gone to him a couple of times before, and it's like, to me, it's like classic Irish summer. It's giving, you know, post Rose of Tralee at the end of the summer, and like you have a big feed. The evenings are still long-ish. You fall into bed at like 9:30, and it's just a real hearty Irish country hotel. It's not like a 5-star luxury, but it's just beautifully like really compordach, really homely. Dahasta.
Well, let's give Colleen go and Evan Maguire in a rave or more. He's a massive techno. He's a big fan of block rock and beats. He did a little takeover there, Lejani, with Deck Pierce. Hilarious. Or Today FM, yeah. Big raver when he cooks.
Way.
Yeah.
When he cooks, or
When he cooks.
Yeah, bíonn sé géiste leis an tunes. It's like techno and cooking, yeah.
Maybe he could bring us out for, you know, like one of those and yeah, you only get it up around Donegal, those like fucking nightclubs that look like they've, you know, you've gone back in time to
Parish Hall.
2004. Yeah, and it's like Maniac, and it's like that kind of Cotton Eye Joe and all that stuff, you know, and you're
well, on club CLG in Gweedore, Iha Hahar Nilin and Taurig does be hopping. So Bader and Shin, Bader and Ergal, I'll do a stop off Le Peg, the clubby head.
Imagine Peg in the club CLG.
Oh my God. Yeah, drinking like Blue Wickeds.
Oh, icon.
Oh, Gavalishin. Well, Colleen, rounding Misha, Tave, Ellen, Atira, surprise, surprise. August, rounding Misha, Trust, Boher, go, Car Kirky. That is what I'm thinking, right? Agus mis ag dul tros leis na galini. I've said I'm going to go for an all-girls trip, okay? Ag tosniu amach I limnach, because where else, okay? Agus, I'm explain right. So, beg mis ag t'moint. Don't love to drive, but I'll drive down. Someone else can take the return trip. So I'm going to get my driving out of the way. Actually, go Kirkig. Agus, Sachorilum. We're going to start Sachahar Limnock. I'm going to be picking up one of the Closter girls, because do you know what? Like, what's a road trip without a Closter girl? So the Closter girl I'm choosing is Dolores O'Riordan. You know, because I just said, okay, Dolores, there's going to be a bit of kill. She's going to be a character, there's going to be a bit of crack, you know what I mean? Yeah. She can be serenading me at this time, and we're going to get going. He has to mow her. Now, the Boher Olimnock Kirkig, nothing to write home about. You're going through Charleville, Buttevant, not great, but you get to Mallow. Quick detour to pick up our second guest. Siobhan McSweeney is waiting for us. Siobhan Lemistach Sachar, our second woman. Here we go. Siobhan's bringing the scale to the crack. She's a Cork native. She's like, girls, hang on. I tell you, we'll stop here for a quick pint on our way to the city. She's all the back roads, the high roads, the by roads. Oh, Ma Allah, Gochar Kirky. And she's telling us all the scale as we go. Dolores and herself, they're having a bit of a natter, and it's like, to be a fly in the wall in that chat. You know? Then we get Gochar Kirky. We're going to park somewhere near UCC because, you know, my alma mater, the hotspots are all scum. We're going to nip in then to get us going, to start us off for a little cocktail in Hayfield Manor. Look, it's 5-star, it's bougie, but we're putting a start Hjart, Gar Trust Boher Gurkig. So in we go for a little, I don't know what it's going to be. I'm kind of thinking like maybe something jalapeno based. Eish le Patreon, the Shachtna for the reference. But maybe a jalapeno margarita. We'll have them in Hayfield Manor. A few little canapes, but we don't want to eat too much food, because then we're going to get on our bikes. We're going to leave the car now, change of transport, and we're going to lay them in the Ruher. Because I think, imagine if you saw myself, Dolores O'Riordan and Siobhan McSweeney in tandem cycling to Cork City.
You can Leshen Rourke Shaneshkin, actually. Yeah.
Okay. Dolores is out the front, like singing a little something, and we're all lingering on behind her. Okay, terrible joke. Okay, then we get into Cork City. We park up our bikes at the English Market. Into the English Market then for a bit of grub, do the rounds, stunning. Little walk around down to Oliver Plunkett Street, might have another few, Duchan Adasa, Niasmo Bia Sachaher. Then we get a phone call. Okay.
Oh.
Because I came up with this road trip, I'm allowed to add an extra guest. It is the Dalai Lama calling us, but the original Dalai Lama, okay? And he's like, gals, get back in the car, drive to the Beira Peninsula. There's a Buddhist Tibetan retreat here, and it's on the beach. We're going to do a bit of sunrise yoga, Madinamorach Lekela. We're like, Dali, anything for you. So we're into the car, myself, Siobhan, Dolores, down to the Beira Peninsula. Sunrise yoga, Erin draw, and whatever happens after that. We're so namasteed out of it. Cork doesn't know what hit it.
Wow.
Yeah, I was going to do a silent retreat in that Buddhist place.
Shenzhen or something.
And you've kind of put it back in my head now again.
Now.
I don't know, put Curly in if my thought they were a silent retreat there.
This was like Govy and Owen.
Okay.
So there we go. Now we work. I'll factor it into scale. I'd say there's not a hope of me doing the silent retreat now.
Well, freshen is fair that just dull out now gets like yoga, you know, or like, you know, just do a little tick the box, meet a few of the monks, and then go amok in Allihies or whatever.
Oh well, I mean, Louise, yeah, absolutely. I mean, I have to say now, that the last bit threw me there for you. I don't know. That's
Well, I thought it was it'd be nice to like, you know, the gals are galsing having the city trip.
Yeah.
And then you need to add a little bit of Rodégan to like Dainacht, you know? So the Dainacht comes in the form of the Dalai Lama and it's a nice little, you know, and a freshen. See, this is Rodégan Glumse. It's Bralam Dul Egon Cahar. I like a city break, but my heart would be longing for the Al Costa. So I'd need to get in some way, shape or form to the Ishka.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. Fair.
There you go.
For you.
The River Lee, well, we could hop on a boat, I suppose, like a Scotia to the River Lee. Does the River Lee flow into the Atlantic?
Certainly. Don't think all.
Not the Atlantic, but not the Atlantic, down to the Irish Sea.
No, the Atlantic down to Cork. Oh, it's the Irish Sea. I suppose if you went.
Yeah, that's East Cork there now.
Yeah.
Anyway, we won't worry too much about the Tyrolis. This is a dreamy podcast, right now. So
Logistics.
Yeah, anyway, when the Dalai Lama is involved, anything could happen, you know.
Is Doilam Gohil Shishin made? The Aina Atá ag plan all road trips, or anyone, if you want to play this game with us, who is your dream road trip? Carlo to people like Colwell Vigdal, drop Rodégans in the comments. Fiachmud delighted either way.
Can I make a really competitive suggestion? Moss,
Yes.
Rodé, can you tell us which of our dream road trips you preferred?
Oh my God, hilarious.
Ar wala fes a chóir lumpsa le ma uncle Donal agus a peg stairs. Ar wala fel a Durin agus an Bert Sean lads. Nu ar wala fel please Siobhan McSweeney, Dolores O'Riordan agus the Dalai Lama. So Oberlin's to comments Kane Count Grafar Latavette air. New shell refus coup and howtogoil@gmail.com about your dream road trip and Rock Madrid or Agrana Shockna Shahugan.
Love.
And gals, in our dream situation though, all of our road trip cars could just pick a middle point and land down Lechela, maybe in the Hidden Heartlands tour with our car there during, we could rent a boat off him. Came down with our reached. Pierce might take us all out Lechela. We could have a big boat party. But okay, so Tovach the Raw lads, that this summer it can also be car free for you and carefree, because there's lots of great spots to visit around Ireland where you can travel by bike, train or foot, coaches and buses if that's what you like. We'll put a link as well in the show notes with some suggestions, so you've no excuse but to get out there on Sarashaw. And you can always visit discoverireland.ie/things to do/car-free travel. Right, Colleen, we'll glue na seachtain go.
Well, bun hair made Tadir Grata gut umper pibely, bog faran torachta, shin ferry. Although Dulakini come on.
Dulakini, Shingama, Colluder. Colluder, which is company a goodichte dinne, you know, it's another way a Colluder dinne, nu a vocher dinne, shin focal an a vuinoch leve a Colluder dinne, ma hatu vocher chele. Sauce of sulfur, rashrile enjoyable raw.
Anava. Agus just Craig may away lat, no away live lesson, and that's off with you. So off you go, words Ross. Bo here. Okay, Colleen, yup agus yacht na seachtainna, ein rud goibh.
Okay, so mo full of the yacht na seachtainna ná, tá astro round a random Rob McElhenney, okay? He's in what is it? Oh God, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Gas, it's Brawley and like it's Astro Mola but tá sé héis fógart go sé ahrú a anam ó Rob McElhenney just go Rob Mac. Mar tuair sé go sé cahabh an umarcha eime ag míniú chunas a anam a rá agus a litrú the gwini. So he's now shortening it to Rob Mac. And now is anam Albanach an tanamata ege, like is as an Alban da like Kiana Hishti agus da winter. And I just think it's a cop out. I'm like, Clíle the anam, mínig a gyarte, make other people learn instead of adjusting your name. So just near my sauce shin and just chalked the Anya ta anam Gailach Gaku, na reeve lig the Anya a rami cart and a goni cart bini.
Yeah, that's what I can get behind. Yeah.
Anva. Agus yup na seachtainna Colleen, tá how to gail fall Aer Lingus. Must rather go to a Gettleton ein out on Sarah Shaw. Stick us on. Aaron, it's an air. Spare.
Or else.
It's right. Yeah. Is Doilam Gohil sé sin an méid támuid ar na man so síalta Instagram agus TikTok agus nádéon darmid go bhfuil an fís an amlan ar fáil Spotify agus YouTube comá agus gur míle má go fáilte Ireland and Discover Ireland for sponsoring this episode.
Woo!
Slán!